Hello everybody, me Beau coming to you today with a Hamilton Beach milkshake maker. We'll see if it works. Yes, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the first time I have ever used this thing. Now we do know that we can turn it on like that and that, which probably isn't the safest thing. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some strawberries in to our milkshake. I put a little bit of milk in there along with, that's enough strawberries. We're gonna go ahead and put it in, and you can click it like that so it stays. Be sure it's clicked on there all the way. As a former soda jerk, if you don't click it in all the way, it will fall and explode up in your face and you have to clean the ceiling and your boss gets mad. Let's go ahead and turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's powerful. It's working. Let's turn it on a little more. That's kind of quiet too.
Now, honestly, after reviewing the footage, I realized it actually sounds really, really loud on camera, so I apologize. But believe me, in real life, it's so much quieter than the industrial milkshake machines that I've used before. Very lightweight too. We made some chocolate milkshakes later. Oh, drizzled some Ghirardelli syrup on there. So good. Easy cleanup, fill it up with hot water. That's it. And the verdict?
Put it in like that. Oh, that just plopped right in. I don't know if this is actually, oh wait, oh, it did stir it up. Oh, Oh, that's delicious. That's it, Beau soup.